name is too long, but I should say that. Okay, today's my time. I think you guys have some idea what we talk about today. Let me tell you. Today we're going to talk about how to count in Chinese. Really, how to count in Chinese, and from 1 to 10, and from 11 to 100. And I will tell you how to use that and how to say that and how maybe before you learn about that, but maybe you didn't know that clearly. So today we'll talk about that. Okay, but the first part, and we're gonna talk about review. And we shall review last class we learned. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I think I don't need to say English. Okay, I just say Chinese. Okay， 我们现在一起来复习一下这个我们来复习一下啊。您说中文有点不习惯啊。这个复习在英文里我们管这个复习呢叫 review， 但是我们中文里呢管这个复习呢它就叫复习。Okay, you should remember this is 复习. I will tell you maybe 10 times already. Okay, let's talk about next. Okay, in last class and we learned so many sentences. 在上节课呢，我们学了很多的句子。Okay, let's together review that. 我们一起复习一下它的怎么样。It's very basic. It's very common. 非常的这样子的一个基础的，非常的一个这样子的通用的。Okay. 首先第一个 Hello everyone is 大家好 this sentence is so simple. I don't need to say anymore. I just say one time and you just follow me. Maybe you already know. And 我们已经学过了它了，它非常的简单，所以现在呢我们就是只是读一下它就 OK 了，好吧？就是 We just say one time, OK? 大家好 OK
大家好
Yeah, it's hello everyone. Okay, 大家好 Okay, let's talk about next.
大家好
Yeah, 你好 So, now I think about, I don't need to say, you guys just say, okay? Because very simple. You already maybe learn is 10, so many times. There's so much time. You just say, I don't need to say, okay? Let's talk about next. This one. How to say. Today, your turn right now, okay? Your turn. And can you read them by yourself? Can you read this sentence by yourself? Now it's your turn, okay? It's your turn. Oh.
你的名是什么？你的名字是什么？
Yeah, that is good. That was correct. 你的名字是什么 Okay, 你的名字是什么
名字是
Yeah, let's talk about that. Yeah, okay. And can you read them by yourself?
很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。
Yeah, 很高兴认识你 This very simple. It's very basic. Okay. And this one, how to say that?
你来自哪里？
Yeah, where
你来自哪里？
你来自哪里 Okay, could you tell me where you're from? Could you tell me where you're from? I ask you guys this question. Where you from?
我来自加拿。我来自加拿。
Yeah, 你来自加拿 Okay, 你来自加拿 Okay, this was good. Okay, this one is I from China. How to say? And can
我来自中国。
Yeah, 我来自中国。
我来自中国。
Yeah. Okay, all right. We come to my country. How to say? Can you write them by yourself?
欢迎来我的国家。
欢迎来
我的
国家。
我的中 yeah.
欢迎来我的国家。
欢迎来我的国家。
来 just remember 来 is second tone. 来欢迎来我的国家。Okay, you guys doing a good job. Okay, let's go. And how to read it? How to read them by yourself?
我爱我的国家。
Yeah, have another guys want to try?
我爱我的国家。
还有 another guys want to try?
我爱我的国家。
Okay, you're right. Let's talk next. You know, before and we learned how to cover. This is conversation, okay? So now and I view, and now and we together do that. But I see and the one I see the A actor, but you see the B, okay? I just say 你好 and you answer me 你好你名字是什么 and you ask me and I answer you, okay? And we're doing this conversation. You know, I'm native Chinese speaker, okay? Okay, so now 你好 and 你好. When I say 你好 to you, and you answer with me, and you know.
你好，你的名字是什么？
Yeah, 我叫 Mary， 你呢？
我叫大卫。
Yeah, how about another one? Can you tell me your name? Chinese name, English name, whatever is okay. Could you tell me? I should remember that.
我叫金大卫。
Okay. 你的名字是什么？
我叫大卫。
Okay, guys. I say how another guys want to try, okay? 你的名字是什么？你好，
我的名字是。
Oh my god.
我的名字是大卫。
Yeah, I
know. Can you hear
me? Yeah, I can hear you. But I say how another guys want to.
Okay,
我
叫宛如。
你叫宛如，真的？你叫宛如？
真的。
我靠，我前女友也叫宛如啊！你别闹啊！Okay, did you know my name? Did you know my name? Just now I say, you know, my ex-girlfriend, she's name is 宛如, really. She's name is 林宛如. You know, that's really.
林宛如.
Okay, let's. Okay.
我叫周。
Yeah, 很高兴认识你. So now, just using Chinese, don't use English, okay? Just using Chinese, and I will ask you some questions, and maybe these questions, not in the dialogue, not in the page, but I just say something, and you learn it's right. So you can thinking and after answer me, okay? 是那个，就比如说我们第一次见面的时候啊，现在听我现在说中文，就是。比如说我们第一次见面的时候，我们总会说一句话是什么呢？我们会先介绍我们自己，是吧？就是我是谁？就比如说 I'm Jason Lee， 我是这样子的一个这个我是李啊，所以我会跟你说什么？你能告诉我吗？就是第一次对话的时候，就是我们就是那个在第一次对话的时候，然后我们就是一个 native Chinese speaker and 就是总是会说的一句话，它是什么？我说了这么多，你们能听懂多少？你们能听懂我在说什么吗？Oh my gosh, okay, I use in English, I explain, okay? So just now I said, when the first time and I see you guys and I should greeting, so I should greeting. And you know it's Chinese native speaker and I was using the very casual way to greeting and this sentence using Chinese and to tell me and this English is nice to meet you using English, okay? Using Chinese tell me, okay? Oh my gosh, really very awkward, okay. 很高兴认识你。我刚才说了那么多对，我刚才说了那么大堆，其实我想表达的就是我们第一次见面的时候，我们总会说什么，就像英语一样 ，Nice to meet you， 很高兴认识你，像这样子的一个对话。所以我刚才想让你们 跟我说这句话是这个意思。And just now, and I want to tell guys, and when the first time we always use this sentence, so I want you guys to know and how to use in the first time. So I want you guys answer to me. But maybe, okay, let's talk about next, okay?
我叫大卫，我 OK。
Oh, okay, you just answer this question, okay? This question is so simple. 你来自哪里？你来自哪里，我的朋友 ？And how to answer that with Chinese？ 你来自哪里啊？
我来自
加纳。
Okay, I know. 你来自加纳是吧？然后其他的人呢？女生呢？
对。
我来自柬埔寨。
柬埔寨 ，OK， 你来自柬埔寨 ，OK， 我来自中国 ，OK，you guys is 你来自加纳，你来自柬埔寨，然后我来自中国 ，and 我们是好朋友，我们是好朋友 ，OK，Can you hear me? Did you understand?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now, and you know, when you come to China, and I should say this and to you. 欢迎你来到我的国家 and how to answer with me? How to answer to me? Yeah. 谢谢 it's right? It's very simple.
谢谢你。
Yeah, okay.
谢谢。
Okay, today and now we got to talk about how to count in Chinese. Okay, let me say again. 1 to 10 and 11 to 100. And I will tell you how to use that and how to make and how to make that, okay? So now let's talk about numbers, okay? Maybe before you will learn a little bit about now, I will tell you very clearly, okay? Okay. Can read it. Now I didn't read. If I heard you guys made some mistakes, and I will remind you guys, but now I didn't read, okay? You guys using before you learn pinyin, how to spell with Chinese. Okay, you learn how to spell with Chinese. So now just spell it, okay?
Spell it.
1、2。
Yeah, 1、2、1、2。
1、2。
1、2。
1、2。
Okay, so first part we learn 1 to 5. Okay, the first part is we will learn 1 to 5. Before I say about 1 to 10, but maybe it take too long. Okay, and we first learn half. Okay, 1 to 5. Okay, now, 这个现在呢，我们在这个讲的是这个数字，然后我们先讲呢从1到5，再到5到10，然后我会教你们一些这样子的拼的这样子的一个组合的规则。Okay, so you know, just now, and you guys tell me this number, and we call it 1和2， 1和2。You know that is correct. It's very good. So you know this is 1 and this is 2. Okay. How about this one? Spell it.
3、
3、
3、
3、4、4。
Yeah, 3、4。You know. 3、4. That's good. Okay, let's talk about 5, okay? 5. Let's read 5, okay?
5、
read
6。
Yeah.
5、6。
6。
Okay,
6。
now listen to me, okay? Now, and you can try to use your hands as well, and because it can help you guys to memorize. Okay, now backwards, okay? Did you know what I mean? Backwards. Okay? Backwards. So just now we learned 1、2、3、4、5. So backwards is 5、4、3、2、1. You know. So now I say backwards. Did you understand?
Okay.
Okay, now doing that.
Yes, backwards from 6 to 1, right?
The 5 to 1. You don't need now. You don't need to count 6. Just 5 to 1.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. How you see my face now? You see my face, okay? Don't see the dialogue page. Don't see the PowerPoint, okay? Just see my hand, see my finger, okay? This one is what? 五. This one is 五. And just now I say backwards, and I will do that action, okay? 五 and 四 三 二
二
一.
一
This is backwards. So you already know how to say 1 to 5, but I want you guys practice more. So I say backwards 5 to 1. We're back, you know? Okay. 5 to 1. So can you say that? Can you say that?
五
5
四三二
Yeah, my
一
finger. Okay. Oh my god. You know, it's very painful, you know? Okay, now I think you guys already know that clearly.
Yes, I want to. Yes, I'm back. I'm lost. Let me come back. 五四
Yeah,
三 二
yeah,
一
yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, now you're doing a very good job, you guys. Very smart. Okay, let's talk about next. 6 to 10, okay? Then now, can you spell it? How to read 6?
六
六
Liu is right, Liu. Okay, Liu. And talk about next. Spell it.
七八
七八七八
Yeah, 七八 7 8 and
九十
九九四
九十十
九九四 OK 十
十
Yeah 九四 OK
Okay, now and okay, now let me first change the PPT. Okay, can you wait for me just 1 minute? Okay, just 1 minute.
七八
Yeah, 七八.
九四
So
九四
you can see my PowerPoint is very
七
clearly.
八九四 No, it's not very clear.
It's not this right. Okay, let me change it again. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's happening there?
七八
I think
九四七八九四九四一二三四五六七八九四
so. Now you can see my PowerPoint is very clearly, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, 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 okay. Now and we learn and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 is right. So now can you backward and 从 and 10 to 1, okay? Just say that. Could you tell me?
十九八七六五四三二一二一 Is it correct?
Yeah,
Is it
you're
correct?
right.
对吗？
Yeah. 对的，对的。Let me think. Oh, okay. First, the go try, okay? But after I tell you guys something, okay? First, you try.
十九八七八七六五 4 3 2 1
You are brilliant. You are really brilliant.
Very nice. Okay, now let me tell you guys something.
Yeah.
But just now we learned 4 is 4 is right 4. But and we learned 10. But did you know you use my tongue and when I say 4, but my tongue didn't curl. But when I say 10, now you can see my tongue it's curled up. And when you see 10 and you shut curled up, and you do that action and can make sure your pronunciation was correct. You know, when you 10 is you should curl up. 10 10 but yeah 10 but 4 you don't need to say, but you don't need to curl. You just say 4. Okay. And this 6 this is 6 you know, and you should say more clearly, but it's is correct pronunciation. 6 Okay now and you just say 4 and 10. Okay, you guys just say 4 and 10 and let me check you guys. Okay. There's more testing. Okay, one by one. You 4 and 10, 4 and 10, and I will make sure you guys can really know about this number. You know, it's pronouncing similar. You know, 4 and 10. Which part is different? What is different between 4 and 10? You know.
4 10
40. Okay, you are right. But 大卫你读得很好。现在呢，就是其他的人读一下 ，OK？ 还有 another guys wanna try 4 and 10。
我
Yeah， 你来吧。Yeah， 4和10。Yeah, you're good. You're good, really. And you already know this 4 and 10 is very clearly. Okay. Okay, that's your game. Okay, that's your game. You don't need to say the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 10. You just backward and it's 10 to 1. Okay, let's do again. Okay, let's do again. And we will go to next. Okay, let's do again.
Tida, try first, then I will try too. So Tida, you try.
Okay. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1
Yeah, you're right. You seem like a native Chinese speaker. Really.
Yeah.
Okay. Gary.
10 Yeah, 10 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1
Yeah, you're good, but you should remember 6. You know 6.
6
Yeah, it's another number was good, but this 6 you should practice more. Okay. Let's talk. You know. Can you spell it? Just now we learn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10，然后 now 现在呢我们来就是那个读这个10位数的 20, 30, okay? And can you say that using Chinese? Now it's your turn. Can you relearn by yourself? Can you relearn and spell it, okay? Relearn. You know. Now we learn what 10 is, right? Now we learn 2和3. So you put together 20 and 30. is 20 is 20. Yeah, 30 is 30. But now your turn. You're doing that. Can you read them by yourself? No, I didn't say everything, okay? You guys see. Your turn.
10
Okay, let me tell you something, okay? Let me give you more example. You know what is 20? What is 20? 20 is right? But,
20
yeah,
20
it's easy. You know what is R? R is 2, is right? You just put R and
Okay.
R plus 10 plus 10, 20. So it's from 20.
Okay. Yeah, we get you.
Did you understand? And R
Yeah, we understand.
is
So,
R.
10,
R
10, 20, 30,
Yeah.
40,
Yeah.
50,
Yeah.
90.
No.
Sorry, 60,
Yeah.
60,
Yeah.
70,
Yeah.
80,
8
90.
Okay, David, you're good. Okay, and
100
I'll try, and I can try.
Can I try?
Okay, and
Yeah, this is your
okay.
turn.
Lisa is
2
your name?
20
Yeah. 20，然后
20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100
Yeah, exactly. You know what is 100?
You buy, congratulations. You buy. Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Okay, now,
you buy. Oh, yeah, you are brilliant.
now something. You know how to say, and you know you already know 30s, right? 30 you already know, but 32, and how to express it more clearly. But you can see there 22, and from where, and you can see there 20 is 30, and we plus 2 30, 32. This meaning 22. And also another example, and how to say 43, and you can see 40 and plus 3, 40 plus 3, 43. And now, can you give me more example? And now, and how to say 21? 21.
21
Yeah. How to say 32?
32
32.
That is okay. 32.
Yeah, 32 is correct. Okay, how to say 43?
43.
Yeah, 43. Okay, how to say 54?
54
54
54
54.
54. No, not 64.
54.
Yeah, 54. 54 is correct. How to say 65? 65.
65
How to say 76?
76
6. Yeah, you're right. I think that's a right now this part clearly. Okay, could you tell me how to say 100?
100
100.
100.
See, that taught me. 100.
Good. I should give that
100.
Okay, now you're right now. Number is very clearly. Okay, now we can talk about the conversation, okay?
Okay.
And to new. And when you go to the restaurant and when you go to his tea house, I think maybe his tea house just in China have, but I don't know another country. But you know, and when you go to coffee shop, and when you go to a tea house, and when you go to a restaurant, and that waiter that always asks you guys, is what you like to drink, is right? So could you tell me how to say that? And you guys learn pinyin. Now I don't need to see. You and you guys just say, okay? What would you like to drink? How to say with Chinese?
你想
How to say what?
What would you like to drink?
你想喝吗？
What would you like to drink? Would you like to drink what?
我要喝茶。
No. Okay, okay, calm down. Okay, calm down, man. Let's stay cool. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, would you like to drink what? Would you like to drink what?
Would you like?
呃，
你要喜欢喝什么？
Yes, it's almost same. Same, you know. And 我觉得你喝点什么 ，and 就是你喜欢喝点什么，你喜欢喝点什么 ，it's okay, but it's similar. But when you go to restaurant, when you go to tea house, when you go to coffee shop, and that when I will ask you guys, you know, 你想喝点什么？你想喝点什么 ？This, you know, in this sentence,
okay.
the subject is you. The subject is you. You know, you not I. Is right. I 是我 but you 是你。So, would you like? I ask you, would you like? 你想喝点什么？你想要喝点什么？ It's okay. 你想 and 你想要 and 或者你想喝点什么 ？Like
你想要喝什么？
你想
你想喝什么？你想要什么？你想喝什么？
你想喝什么？你想要什么？啊，那个，就是如果你想表达就是其他的你的意思，就比如说吃什么，就比如说你想拿什么，就比如说你想那个就是那个我们之前学过的就是比如说吃吧 ，and would you like to eat what？ 就是你喜欢吃什么 ，and you just change the noun, okay? You just change verb and you know, if you want to get you some stuff and you change that noun, but if you want to get you some action, animation, and emotion, and you just change the word, and you know it's similar. 你想要喝点什么 and 你想吃点什么 you know 吃 is eat and 喝 is drink and would you like 你想什么什么你想怎么样 this is verb 这是一个动词你想怎么样你想吃点什么或者你想喝点什么还有你想说点什么都可以知道吗 Could you understand?
对
Understand.
，OK， 我知道。
就到了。
Okay, now, and 一杯咖啡 please, and a coffee, please, a coffee, please. Okay, 什么意思 Would you tell me? Now your turn.
咖啡。
什么
A coffee, please.
咖啡。
请一杯咖啡。
Yeah, you know, and in Chinese, but just now say, just now I say, and a coffee, please. This means 请来一杯咖啡，就是这个意思是什么呢？就是 you give me one cup of coffee， 你给我一杯咖啡。但是呢，我们平时就是is very common conversation, and we don't need to say is very we don't need to speak as a lot. We just say a coffee, please. But this meaning you give me. But just now you asked me, right? You asked me 你想要喝点什么 So now I answer you a coffee, please. 给我来杯咖啡，请来杯咖啡。You know? Could you understand?
We got it.
什么咖啡
Yeah. 一杯咖啡，你可以翻译成 You can translate it 咖啡 and please 请来一杯咖啡 and you can change another drinking, okay? Some like tea, some like this change you what you want, okay? Okay, that's again. Now I say English, you say Chinese, okay? Now you just say Chinese, don't you say English? Now I say English, okay? And you just tell me, okay? Okay, now, would you like to drink what?
您想喝
你想喝什么？
水？
你想喝
您想
什么？
喝水？
你想喝点什么 ？So now I answer you. Coffee, please.
一杯咖啡。
咖啡。
Yeah, 请
咖啡。
Okay, now, listen to me, okay? A cup of water, please. Water. A cup of water, please.
请喝
一杯
水。
水。
请
Yeah,
喝一杯水。
一杯水。
请来一杯水。Okay, now, listen to me. Okay, now, a tea, please. A cup of tea, please.
请一杯茶。
Yeah, you're right. And you already know. And, I'm so happy. You already know that. 请来一杯茶 is right. 请来一杯茶。
来一杯茶。
Yeah, 请来一杯茶。You also can you just can see 来一杯茶，然后你也可以说一杯茶，就是you can use is we have a different context, you know. So and 你可以说请来一杯咖啡，你可以说来一杯咖啡，你可以说一杯咖啡 ，and we using is different context, you know. 我们用在不同的语境，也用在不同的对象上。Okay, so let's talk about next. Okay, and how much is this short? And can you tell me how to say?
How much is what?
Short.
Short. Okay.
多少这个衣服？
多少？
这个衣服多少钱
Yeah, you're right. 这件衣服多少钱 You know, when about clothes, when we talk about short, when we talk about t-shirt, whatever, dress, we also use 件 you know, 这件我们说的是这件衣服多少钱这件然后
这件衣服多少钱
sometimes at a very 这个 but actually is a correct way to using this one is we say 件 how much is a short 这意思是这件衣服 you should remember 这件衣服 call it 这件衣服然后 how much and you guys already know 多少钱 and can say
这件衣服多少钱
Yeah, you're right. 这件衣
服多少钱
Okay, just now we learned the numbers, right? Okay, now I say, so now I say it's 40 元，什么意思 ？What's the meaning?
14
这件衣服40元45
40美金
No. Okay, let me tell something. Okay, let me tell something. Okay, 美金 is dollar. It's from the United States. It's from the United States, but it's from China. In China, we call it RMB. This meaning yuan. So if you know in China, it's everyone and we using yuan. You know, some 80元、10000元、几千元。We just using yuan, but 美金 is dollar. Is US. Is US. They're from US. But yuan from China. You know, but US is there. This is yuan. Okay. So now I say. 60. 60元
6元60元
60
60元
60元
60元 is right. Okay, now. Okay. 15元15元
15元
No.
50元
Yeah. Is it 50 or 15? 50 元 Okay.
Okay, listen. 15, not 50, okay? 15.
16
15元，
Yes.
15元，
15元
145元，
15元
15元，
15元 ，OK。
Yeah, 15元 is right.
Okay.
Okay. Let's talk about next. Let's sing this part right now. Okay, and you know, and how many flowers are there? 是什么意思啊？这个是什么意思？我有点不知道啊，你能告诉我吗？
这里有
多少
多少花？
Yeah.
多少花？
多少朵花
有
多少朵花？
？Yeah. 那里有多少花 ？But it's not actually is not very correct, you know. But when you eat this one 朵，and 那里有多少朵花 ？Same just now you see one cup of coffee 一杯 ，and you should know is 杯 is 杯，but also is some stuff, and we have this word expressing, okay? 那里有多少朵花？
多少
多少朵
花？
花？
朵花，那里有多少朵花？
多少朵花？
多少钱 ？But this 朵 seem like that 钱 ，but we use is another is different stuff. So like now, flower, okay? And remember how many flowers are there? This meaning 那里有多少朵花 ？This important 朵。Did you understand?
Yes.
You know, 朵 is unit, and money is and 钱 is unit, and 杯 is unit, and 数 and is a unit. Oh my gosh. Okay, 朵 is unit. Okay, 朵 and 钱 is also is unit. So when you see we expressing with number, we want expressing more clearly, and you should eat units. It's like 七朵花，七朵花。Okay.
几朵花？
Okay, now let's
花
ask some
一朵
questions.
花，
Okay, 6 flowers. How to say?
6个花。
六
不是
朵花
六个，六朵花，
Yeah,
六朵
6.
花，
Okay. How to say 8 flowers?
八朵
七
花，
朵花，
8朵花。
No.
八朵花，sorry，
八朵花，
八朵花，
Yeah. How to say? And is 45 flowers.
45朵花。
45朵花，
45.
45
朵花，
Yeah, 45朵花. Yeah, you guys are very smart. Okay, so today, but this time, and we will review. Today we learn, okay? So you know, today we learn number. Today we learn the number, and now and we will do this part so faster. So just now I don't need. So now I don't say everything. You guys just say, and if you have some mistakes, and I will tell you, and I will help you to fix it. Okay? So now you just tell me. Oh, okay. Now and we don't have pin. Okay? We don't have pin. You just tell me how. Okay. Now you turn. Can you read it by yourself? Okay. Can you read it by yourself? 1 to 10.
1 to 10。
Yeah, 1 to 10. Could you tell me?
1 2 3 4
1
5
2
6
3
7 8 9 10。
6 7 8 9 10。
Yeah. But your name is Eben, is right? Either Eben. But just now, that boy,
Yeah.
But yeah. Okay, let me tell something. You just now read the the 六 is not is very correct. Not very correct. Let me tell you. This number we call it 六 not 六. 六
Okay. 六。
yeah. You get it?
I got it.
Yeah.
I
you
got
get
it.
It's good.
六。
Okay. Okay. This one, could you tell me?
What?
Can you see my screen? So now,
I can see.
yeah. You just read. Now I give you guys some is one thing, one small test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How's it? So just now we learned and how to make this 20 and with and R plus 10 is right. We call it 20. So 20 is 20. So could you tell me how to say with 30?
30.
Yeah, 30. Okay. Also 40,
40、
50,
50、
60,
什么？
60、
60,
60、
70,
70、
几、
80,
80、
80、
90,
90、
32.
什么？
22 22
Yeah, 32, 32.
32。
Yeah,
32
43、
43
54,
54、
65,
65、
65、
yeah,
65、
76,
76、
no,
几
70,
不
6、
75
yeah, 76, 76 is right.
76
Yeah, just now I said 76. Okay, 80, 80, be careful, 81,
81
81、
okay,
81
you already know that we're good, okay? Okay, 100,
100、
100
okay, it's over. All right, okay, let's review this dialogue, okay? And now I say English, and you conversation with me. You just answer me, and we will do one, and after we will change. Okay. Okay. First, I try to drink what, and you say Chinese, and okay.
OK
Now I say, would you like to
你
drink?
想喝什么？你想喝什么？
喝什么？
Yeah, 你想喝什么? That's right. 你想喝什么? Okay, now listen. A tea, please. A cup of tea.
请来一杯茶
Yeah， 一杯茶。
Yeah, you're right. Okay. A cup of water, please.
进来水。
请来什么水？什么水？有水。
进来一杯水。
Yeah, right. 请一杯水茶。Okay, let's talk about that. Okay, how much is this short?
这件衣服多少
一件
钱？
多少钱？
这件
衣服多少钱？
这件衣
衣服多少钱？
We call it 件，拿着件 ，OK， 件，这件衣服多少钱
？OK，件，对，
这件衣服多少钱？
这件衣
OK
服多少钱
？OK， now，and 100元。
这
100
件
元。
衣服
100
100元。
Yeah, okay. You're right. No. Okay. Now, how many flowers are there?
多花？
Okay, now.
这里有
多
多
少
少朵花？
Yeah, you're right. 多少朵花 I see how many flowers are there. Are there, okay? 那里有多少朵花？Okay, can you explain?
多少朵花？
那里啊，
那里有
那里啊，多少朵花？那里
no， 那里有多少朵花？
啊，
那
那里
里有多
有多少
少朵
花？对啊，
Yeah, you're right. Okay, now listen. Okay. It's 25 flowers.
那里有
25朵
25朵花。
25朵花。
Okay. Okay. I think you guys already know clearly, okay? Okay, now. It's okay. 75 flowers.
25。
75朵花。
Yeah, 75朵花。75 75朵花。You know.
75朵花。
You just change the number and I just change the number. You know. Okay, it's of the day. Really, it's so good. And I think about his number is very bored, but you guys is doing that is so fun. Really, I'm very interesting. Okay, it's over today. And if you have any questions, you can leave a message in our channel and in our homepage. Time and we will give you guys feedback and we will give you guys answer. Okay. Okay, it's over today. And I will see you guys next time. Okay. Goodbye.
OK， bye，
谢
see you，
再见。下次见。下次见，再见。
下期见。
OK，下次见。
下次见。